It's fun to grow plants, and they're growing very nice. I love my little plants. They're so beautiful. I can't see in the morning. That window's dirty. So, Bill wanted this. He says it's really good. And look, it's fat-free, 100 calories. He says they're delicious. So we got them. And these were on sale, so I got these. Tennyson, there's paper in your water dish. So I just wanted to show you guys this. Ignore that ringing. I don't know what's wrong with our freezer, but I came in here to see what that ringing was, and I look in there and I see that little barcode because Bill had taken all those out of the boxes, and he obviously realized that none of them had individual barcodes on them, and he knows that I use MyFitnessPal and I scan all of my barcodes for the calories and stuff. He doesn't need to count calories, like he doesn't even worry about that kind of stuff, but he knows that I do, and it just shows, oh, look, it turned on. For just tiny little things like that he remembers and that he does. Like, it sounds stupid, but I think it's sweet. Come and get your num-nums. Tennyson, how hungry are you? That hungry, huh?
What are you on?
All right then, you little bitch. Come get some. Get some. Come up here. Come, no, you'll claw me. Do you want some food? Hold on. The popcorn's gonna fall off of you.
Oh.
Come on.
You haven't fed them yet, have you?
Yeah, I already did.
Oh, well, fuck you guys then.
I got these crackers, and they look like that. Let's try one, shall we? They smell like they won't taste good. These things are thin as hell.
Yeah, they're fancy.
It's my one night to be fancy. Okay, so that was one of the 9 gone for trying it. So let's count out more. 2, 3, 8, 9. I am drinking a Mike's, but I didn't eat that much today, so I have a bunch of calories left over. Don't judge me. Well, I might have gotten these maybe once in my life, but I don't remember. So let's just say this is the first time I've ever had them. Or gotten them. Bought them. I don't know. Anyway, so that's what I'm going to have for dinner. So this is what happened. First thing this morning, we got up, we had breakfast, and then we got ready to go for a run. Let's see. We probably went about 2/3 to 3/4 of the way jogging, but then we took a break, walked some, and then jogged the rest of the way here. I have had to record this so many times now, and I kept thinking it was my battery dying, but I realized I had no more space on my SD card, which usually never happens, which is crazy. Anyway, what I kept trying to tell you guys, and what I have to tell you now again, I went for a run this morning with Bill. We did the Broadlands Round. Broadlands is the town we live in. The Broadlands Round is basically a big square around the town, very small town, and it's about 3.5 to like 3.8 miles, something like that. Probably closer to 3.5 miles. We did not jog the whole thing, but we did jog a lot of it. It's very hot, humid today. My throat felt like it was closing up just a little bit. I think as I get older, pollen and stuff is starting to bother me. We jogged 2/3 to 3/4 of the way, but we did walk a little bit of it because I was going to die. But it was really great because Bill stayed at the same pace as me, and so we got to run together, so that was nice. Then he went out to start mowing. He's just about done now, I think. I went upstairs, did a quick workout, then I took a shower, did some laundry, The laundry's actually going right now, as you can probably hear it. I have to put that out on the line. I weighed in this morning at 185 exactly. It wasn't a big difference from the last time I weighed, but it was less, and I'm happy about that. I didn't gain, I didn't stay the same, I went down just a little bit. I didn't take any measurements because the last few times that I've been taking measurements, my body hasn't changed whatsoever. Like, no change at all. I'm gonna give it some more time, and then I'm gonna measure again and see if any inches are gone, because that would be great. It is a gorgeous day outside. I did get a little too much sun, even though I put on sunscreen when we went running. So I don't want to go back outside for a very long time, but I definitely want to go back out. But I want to get this video edited. That's going to start beeping in a second. Just wait for it. And the washer is done. Everyone have a great day, great week. I'll see you guys next week, probably. I'm going to leave it off with some little videos of my critters that like to visit us by our bird feeders and on the porch. Here are those videos. Enjoy. Bye.